How to launch Steam games without updating. So the very main thing that you want to do is to open up your Steam client and make sure that you're already logged in into your account. Now, for you to be able to check out the game that you'd like to pause updating it or wanting to launch the game without update, all you have to do is to go into your library, and from here, this is where you can pause current updates that is ongoing for all the games that you have on Steam. Just simply hit on pause, and for you to launch the game without updating is to go offline. To do that, just go into your Steam icon and then choose on go offline. Now it will be posted here that you're already on offline mode. Just simply click that, and all the games that you can play offline will be here. But take note that you can only launch games on Steam that's not going to be needing internet connection and as well as to pause the update. And that's how you launch Steam games without update.